Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord SE2, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here you should scroll a little bit more down to the sound notification sound section, and here you can select one from all of these available sounds just by this way. And then just go back here and you will see that we just successfully changed our notification sound to the surprise one, to the new one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.